Welcome to Ayaz Tech. My name is Ayaz Zafar. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page for your business. So before we begin, please make sure that you already have subscribed to my YouTube channel and also click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification from my YouTube video channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open Facebook and you have to sign into your Facebook account. If you don't have a Facebook account already, then you have to create a Facebook account first. And if you want to know how to create a Facebook account, then I already have recorded a video that I will share a link in the description below. So you can watch that as well. So if you already have an account, just sign in and then you will see this page on the left sidebar. Find the link pages, click on the pages link, and here you will see on the left sidebar a button, create a new page. Click on that button. Then this will show you this screen. And in this screen on the left side, you will have to add some information. And on the right side, it will show you the preview for the desktop and for the mobile as well. So on the left side, first of all, you need to provide the name of your page. Uh, for example, I have a pizza restaurant that I want to uh, use for this Facebook business page. So, and suppose the my shop name, my restaurant name is Healthy Pizza, and here you can select the category like restaurant. If you also do deliveries, you can select something food delivery service and anything, any other category that is relevant to your business, you can select from here. Here you need to provide the description that tells about your business. This description should be short, and the maximum limit of the description is 255 characters for this section. So let's type something like uh, healthy is the one of the best restaurant in the town. We provide the best, the most delicious pizza with highest quality. So you can provide any description that is fine for you. So on the right side, you can see that it has updated uh, the preview. Now you can click on the create page and wait. Give it some time. It might take some seconds. Okay. Now what is saying that your page is created. Now you can add images or go to your page to add more details. So you can either go back to your page directly or you can start adding pictures right from here. So it's up to you. It's optional as you can see. You can just click on save and go to your page, or you can start with adding picture from here. So let's add a profile picture right from here. Click on that and it will allow you to select the pictures. Let's add a profile picture. This is the logo that I have for the profile picture. And now you need to add the cover pic photo. Let's select the cover photo as well. Okay. All right. You can see that you now the picture of the most delicious pizza is here and it is looking great. You can drag the position of the pizza, the picture to make it look perfect. Now, after it is positioned perfectly, you can click on the save button. Now, here it is asking you to add your phone number that you want to connect with it. Connect your Facebook page with the WhatsApp. So you can provide your WhatsApp number here that will allow you to connect with the WhatsApp so that people could contact you to your WhatsApp number. You can provide it here or you can close it if you don't want to provide it for now. So now here you can see that there are a lot of options. You can start creating the post by clicking on the post create post button, and you can upload photos and things like that, or you can now go to your profile, you can add further photos, or you can invite your friends. So here, this is the about section. If you want to add more information about your business, you should click on this button, and here you need to provide the username for your page. Right now, your page URL will look like this. You can see it is not good. I mean, it should be more user friendly instead of this, because this username cannot be remembered by anybody. So if you want to make it rememberable, then you just need to change the username. If you change the username, then that will reflect here as well, like healthy pizza. Okay. So anyway, so whatever username you decide, just type here and save that. And then this is the contact tab. Here you can provide any contact related information. For example, you want to provide the phone number, you can provide that here. If you want to add the contact email address, you can provide that here. And let's add an email. And if if your website don't have the email address or website, you can just click on that, and that will uh, disable that option for your page. So I want to add the website domain name. You can add like this. Next, there is a location tab. Here you can add provide the address, city and postcode, and the Google Map location for your restaurant or for your business. And if your business don't have a location, or if you don't want to share location for now, you just click on this button. And this is the service area that tells the people that in which areas you provide your services. So anyways, this is the hours tab. In this tab, you can tell people that what is the availability timing for your restaurant. For example, if it is always open, you can tell by selecting this. If the you did not if your business is not about something that has specific hours available, then you can keep this selection. And if your store is permanently closed, you can select this one. And if you want to select a specific timing, then you can click here, and then it will show you timing for the entire week. It is showing here. You can select the opening time. Here you can select the closing time for the Monday, and so on. And next, if there are temporary changes in your store, then you can select, for example, if temporarily, if there are some service changes, then you can click here. And for example, uh, if only delivery service is available because of the coronavirus, you can select this one. And if it is temporarily closed, you can select this option, and so on. Anyway, so next, there is a more button here. You can provide the link of your privacy policy, and here you can provide the list of the products that you offer. And here you can provide the additional information about your business. And look at this. uh, Here you can provide the limit of this description is around 50,000 characters, so that is too much, and you can provide a lot of information. And here you can select the price range. So if you don't know what is the price range for your business for now, you can skip it by selecting this option. Or if it is not applicable for your business, you can select not applicable. Or other than that, you can select cheap, moderate, expensive, or other one. And here, this is another interesting feature where you can connect your other social account. For example, you can select your Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, Twitch, WhatsApp, and a lot of other social networks. So for example, if you have a Instagram account, you can add that username here. And then if you want to add more, click on the plus button, and here you can add your Twitter as well. So okay, so similarly you can keep adding more and more social accounts, and in this way people will be able to communicate with you through those social accounts as well. So you can see that it has added all of those information and it's saved automatically. You do not have to save that. And you another at the last another thing that I want to show you, that for example, one second. So for example, here by default, if you don't add any button on this position, then it will show a default button that would say send a message, and if user click on that, then that will open a chat area for the user or customer. So you can change that by clicking on this button to add a new button, and if you click on that, then it will show you a lot of options that you want, that you can use. So here you can see that there are a lot of options that you can connect with it. For example, there is a follow, you can add a follow button, you can add a view gift card, you can add a book now button, you can add a call now button, contact us page, a link with that button, or you can add a button that will let user to send a message in the WhatsApp, and so on. So there are a lot of other useful buttons. You can just click on this call now, and then you can add the number. If this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification from my channel. And also, don't forget to like, share, and comment my video. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.